Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cheap piano is probably one of the most important decisions for aspiring musicians. Finding an affordable piano doesn't mean sacrificing quality. In this video, we'll explore the best options for cheap pianos, helping you find the perfect instrument that fits your budget and musical aspirations. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision, from digital pianos to used acoustic pianos. Number 5. Best Choice 61-key electronic keyboard piano set. This electronic keyboard has 61 keys, offering a full range for beginners. It comes with 255 timbres and rhythms, allowing you to explore various sounds. The starting tempo is 120 BPM, perfect for learning. This set includes everything a beginner needs. It comes with an H-style stand, music stand, and a padded stool. It's a great gift for any aspiring musician. The keyboard features 3 teaching modes: 1 key, follow, and ensemble. The LCD display, light-up keys, and note stickers help users learn to read music. These features make learning fun and interactive. Enjoy a recital with the built-in speakers and headphones. The rhythm programmer and music player function help you find the perfect sound. You can recreate classic music pieces with it. Plug in a USB to play along with your favorite songs. You can add your own melodies or rhythms to the background music. Let your creative side shine with this feature. What we like. This keyboard offers a complete beginner set, including everything you need to start playing. It also features multiple teaching modes to guide you through the learning process. Plus, the USB port allows you to play along with your favorite songs. If you're just starting out and want a comprehensive package to kickstart your musical journey, you should consider this one. What people say. The keys light up, if you want them to, when you're playing it or you have the keyboard playing one of its many included songs. Lots of sound options, even includes an extra octave button that will lower or raise the key you're playing in. The keys are sensitive to touch but not sensitive enough that they go off all the time. Number 4. Best Choice Product 61-key electronic keyboard. This electronic keyboard is designed for beginners. It features 3-step intelligent teaching to help you learn easily. You can mimic with 1 key, follow, and ensemble modes. Explore your creativity with this keyboard. It offers 255 timbre options and 255 rhythms. You can also use the 32 percussion sounds to create your own unique music. This set includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with an H-style keyboard stand, music stand, and a padded stool. It's the perfect gift for any aspiring musician. Enjoy a great sound experience with this keyboard. It has built-in speakers and also includes headphones. The rhythm programmer and music player functions help you recreate classic music pieces. Unleash your inner musician with this keyboard. You can plug in the included microphone and sing along to songs. It's a fun way to explore your musical talents. What we like. This keyboard has 3-step intelligent teaching, making learning easy and fun. You can also create unique sounds with its customizable options. And with the included microphone, you can sing along to your favorite tunes. If you are looking for a keyboard that combines learning with entertainment, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The keyboard is very nice. It includes headphones, a microphone, stand and stool. It has tons of timbres and a transposing feature. It also has a recording and rhythm features. Number 3. Pyle 49-key Karaoke Piano Keyboard. This Pyle keyboard is packed with features. It has 49 keys, multiple tones, and rhythms. This allows you to create music anywhere. Enjoy the 2-in-1 karaoke feature with the included microphone. The integrated drum pad adds extra effects. It's perfect for sing-alongs and musical fun. This keyboard is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. The built-in rechargeable battery means you can play it wherever you go without needing a power outlet. Connect your devices via the AUX input to stream audio. You can play along with your favorite tracks effortlessly. It's easy to connect and play. Use the record and playback mode to monitor your performance. This is ideal for practice sessions and improving your musical skills. It helps you track your progress. This keyboard is ideal for beginners, kids, and adults. Whether for home theater or living room performances, it offers fun and learning for everyone. It's a great choice for all ages. What we like. This keyboard has a built-in karaoke feature, perfect for sing-alongs. Its portable design and rechargeable battery mean you can play music anywhere. It's ideal for beginners, kids, and adults alike. If you like to sing and play on the go, this is the perfect keyboard for you. What people say. It is a 2-in-1 piano because you can play as well as sing along with the included microphone. It is compact and has a built-in rechargeable battery for easy portability. It has 16 preset tones and 8 preset audio rhythms and also has 6 demo songs, and THS keyboard also has 5 drum percussions. Number 2. RockJam 5061 Keyboard Piano Super Kit. This RockJam keyboard offers a traditional piano feel with its 61 full-size keys. It's designed to be portable and compact, and you can power it with either a power supply or batteries. The LED panel displays and engages 200 rhythms, 200 tones, a teaching function, and 30 demo songs. It's packed with features to enhance your musical journey. With the record and playback function, you can build layers to your sound. It also includes an AUX input, allowing you to play along to your favorite songs. The kit includes a sturdy keyboard stand that can be adjusted. This ensures that both young and old players can comfortably enjoy the instrument. The electric piano keyboard super kit comes with a padded seat. It's easily folded and has a thick padded seat for hours of comfortable play. What we like. This keyboard offers full-size keys for a traditional piano feel. It also has record and playback functionality, allowing you to build layers to your sound. The kit includes a stand, bench, and headphones. If you are looking for a complete package that provides everything you need to start playing, you should consider this. What people say. The sound quality is really good for the price, and it has a nice range of features and tones to play around with. The keys feel good to play on, and it's been great for practicing. So many cool features for a $100 keyboard. The best gift ever, and very easy to put together. It took me less than 20 minutes to assemble. Number 1. Pyle 49-key portable digital karaoke piano. This compact electronic piano has 49 standard keys and built-in stereo speakers. It's designed for playing various piano pieces at home or on the go. You can enjoy the simple plug-in operation for instant play. Enjoy dual entertainment with 16 preset tones and 8 audio rhythms. It comes with a wired microphone for exciting sing-alongs. There is also an integrated drum pad to add dynamic effects. The keyboard's 3.5mm AUX input and mic input interface allow connection and streaming from external devices. You can easily play sound from your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or computer. Enhance your experience with an audio cable connection. Instantly record and playback your performances to review your skills. This feature is perfect for practice sessions and home performances. Monitor your progress and improve with ease. It is equipped with a 3.7V Li-ion rechargeable battery offering up to 2,400 hours of playtime. Its lightweight and compact design ensures easy portability. You can store it conveniently when not in use. What we like. This keyboard comes with karaoke functionality, including a microphone for sing-alongs. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, and it has a rechargeable battery. If you enjoy singing and want a portable instrument, it's the perfect choice for you. What people say. This is a cute little beginner keyboard spanning 4 octaves. It has a built-in battery that allows it to be played anywhere and recharged as needed. It can play a decent number of tones and rhythms, just enough to provide some variety but not be overwhelming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.